Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Rim2 Storytelling. Today, we are so excited to share with you the first story in our new series, Travel Tales for English Learners. This series follows Luna, a girl from Tokyo, as she travels the world, discovering new cultures and learning life lessons. Each tale, around 15 minutes long, helps you in two wonderful ways. First, you will improve your English by listening to simple words and sentences as we tell Luna's story, letting the language flow into your heart. Second, every story brings a life lesson to inspire you, to help you see the beauty in every journey. These tales are perfect for beginners, so you can learn English while feeling inspired. Whether you listen in the morning to start your day with wonder, or at night to relax with a meaningful story. In our first tale, called Luna's Lost Map in Paris, you will meet Luna, a young girl who dreams of seeing the world. She arrives in Paris, the city of lights, but loses her map on her first day. Will Luna find her way? Let us find out together. Take a deep breath, imagine the streets of Paris, and let us begin. Luna is a 25-year-old girl from Tokyo, a busy city full of lights and sounds. She works in an office, surrounded by tall buildings and the hum of the sea. But her heart dreams of travel, of seeing the world, of meeting new people. One day, she saves enough money and buys a plane ticket to Paris, France, her first stop on a journey around the world. Luna arrives in Paris on a sunny morning, the sky a soft blue, the air warm with the promise of adventure. She steps onto a street with old stone buildings, their windows decorated with flowers, and the smell of fresh bread floats from a nearby bakery. She holds a map in her hands. Luna wants to see the Eiffel Tower, so she walks down a narrow street, the sound of her shoes tapping on the cobblestone. She passes a small cafe where people sit outside with tiny cups of coffee, talking and laughing in the warm sunlight. The street is alive with color, with purple lavender flowers spilling from baskets and the distant sound of a violin playing a gentle tune. But then, a gust of wind blows through the street, a playful breeze that dances around Luna, and her map flies out of her hands, spinning away like a leaf in the air. Luna runs after it, her heart racing, but the map disappears around a corner. She stops, looking around, the streets twisting like a maze, and realizes she is lost. Her heart beats fast, her hands tremble, and she thinks, "I do not know where I am." She wants to ask for help, but her voice feels small, and a wave of fear washes over her like a cold river. Luna sits on a wooden bench, the flowers around her bright and cheerful, their scent calming her a little, and she takes a deep breath. She notices an old man painting on the street, his hands steady, his canvas bursting with colors of Paris. His name is Pierre, a kind painter with a white beard and a warm smile. Luna gathers her courage, walks to him, and says, "I am lost. Can you help?" Pierre looks at her, his eyes twinkling like the stars, and says, "Follow me, but let us walk slowly." He leads Luna through hidden streets, past a garden filled with red roses, their petals soft and glowing in the sunlight. Past a stone bridge over the Seine River, its water sparkling like a mirror under the sky. They reach the Eiffel Tower just as the sun begins to set, its tall iron frame glowing with golden lights, and Luna gasps, "It is beautiful." Pierre turns to Luna. his voice gentle, and says, "Sometimes losing your map is the best way to find beauty." Luna smiles, her fear melting away, her heart full of joy. She watches the Eiffel Tower shine, the sky turning pink and gold, painting the city in a warm glow, and she says, "Thank you, Pierre." That day, Luna learns to walk without a map, to see Paris with her heart, to find joy in every step, even when she is lost. Luna, the girl from Tokyo, came to Paris with a map and a dream to see the Eiffel Tower. But when the wind took her map, she felt lost, scared, alone in a new city far from home. She thought she could not find her way, that her first day of travel would be a failure. But a kind painter named Pierre showed her a different path. He walked with her through the streets of Paris, past gardens where roses bloomed like bursts of fire, past the Seine River, its water shining like a ribbon of light, past hidden corners she would never have seen if she had kept her map. At sunset, Luna stood before the Eiffel Tower, its lights glowing like 1,000 stars, and she felt a joy she did not expect, a joy that filled her heart like the warmth of the sun. Luna learned that losing her map was not a mistake. It was a gift, a way to see the beauty of Paris in a new, unexpected way. This story teaches us something wonderful. Do not be afraid to get lost, because sometimes losing your way leads you to the most beautiful moments. Like Luna, you might have a plan, a map for your life, a clear path you want to follow, but things do not always go as you expect. Maybe you are learning English and you feel lost when you cannot understand a new word, or when you cannot say what you want to say. Maybe you are chasing a dream, a goal that feels so big, and the path to reach it feels unclear, like a street that twists and turns. It is okay to lose your map, to take a new road, to explore a different way. The streets of Paris taught Luna to see beauty in the unexpected, and you can do the same in your own journey, in your own life. Think about Luna, walking through Paris, the flowers bright around her, the river shining under the bridges, the Eiffel Tower glowing at sunset like a beacon of hope. She was scared at first, her hands shaking, her voice small. But she found the courage to ask, "Can you help?" And that small question led her to a magical day, a day she will never forget, a day that showed her the true heart of Paris. You can find your own magic too. Maybe you will try speaking English, even if you feel lost, by saying something new to a friend or asking a question in a new way. Maybe you will take a new path in your life. Try something different, like joining a club, talking to a new person, or exploring a new place. Each step, even if it feels like you are lost, can lead you to something beautiful, something unexpected, something that makes your heart smile. The lights of the Eiffel Tower still shine in Paris every night, and Luna's story lives on in those streets, in those gardens, in the air of that city. Her lost map became her greatest adventure, a reminder that the best journeys are not always planned. Your journey can be an adventure too, full of surprises, full of beauty. What new path will you take today? Maybe you will learn a new English word, or try something you have never done before. Every step is a chance to find magic. Every moment is a chance to grow, just like Luna did in Paris. Let us take a moment to stand with Luna in Paris one last time, the Eiffel Tower glowing before her, the sky a canvas of pink and gold, the air filled with the sweet scent of flowers. Luna sits on a wooden bench by the Seine River, the water sparkling like a mirror, reflecting the lights of the city, while the sound of laughter from a nearby cafe fills her ears. She smiles, her heart light, her lost map a distant memory. She found more than the Eiffel Tower that day. She found courage. She found beauty. She found a new way to see the world. Pierre, the kind painter, waves to her from his canvas, his brush capturing the magic of the moment. And Luna knows losing her map was the best thing that could have happened. Paris is a city of dreams, a place where every street tells a story, where every corner holds a piece of history. The Eiffel Tower stands tall, its iron structure reaching for the sky, a symbol of love and wonder, glowing with lights that dance in the night like fireflies. Around it, the city comes alive with romance, couples walking hand in hand along the Seine River, their laughter mixing with the sound of the water as it flows gently through the heart of Paris. Small cafes line the streets, their tables filled with people sipping coffee, eating warm croissants, and sharing stories under the shade of colorful awnings. The air carries the scent of lavender from flower shops, their blooms spilling over into the cobblestone streets, painting the city in shades of purple and white. Artists like Pierre set up their easels along the sidewalks, painting the beauty of Paris on their canvases, capturing the magic of this city for all to see. The ancient stone bridges, the golden statues. Standing in Paris, I feel a warmth in my heart, a sense of wonder that fills my soul. The Eiffel Tower, so grand and majestic, reminds me of the dreams we all hold. Dreams that shine bright even in the darkest nights. The romance of Paris, its soft lights, its gentle music, makes me wish that everyone could stand here just once to feel this magic, to see this beauty, to let their hearts be touched by the city of lights. I hope that one day you too can walk these streets, smell the flowers, hear the river, and watch the Eiffel Tower glow, as Luna did, as I dream for you. What new path will you take today, inspired by Luna's journey in Paris? Maybe you will explore a new place or find beauty in your own city, just as Luna found in hers. Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear your story, your moment of magic. If this tale inspired you, if it made you dream of Paris, please like this video and subscribe to Rim2 Storytelling. We have many more travel tales for English learners waiting for you, each one with a new place, new beauty, and new inspiration to help you see the world just like Luna. Have a wonderful day, full of new calves that sparkle, or a peaceful night filled with dreams of travel and wonder. Thank you for listening, dear friends, and I will see you in the next tale in a new city with the same hope cheering for you.